Welcome to a breathtaking retreat nestled among the rolling hills, where modern architecture meets luxurious comfort. This stunning three-story residence is a testament to contemporary design, offering a harmonious blend of sophistication and simplicity. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious foyer that sets the tone for the rest of the home. The foyer seamlessly transitions into the heart of the house. From the plush seating arrangements to the elegant lighting fixtures, every element serves to create an inviting atmosphere where relaxation is paramount. Step into a haven where every corner invites you to unwind, whether it's curling up with a good book or simply basking in the tranquility of your surroundings. Functionality is seamlessly integrated into the design, with ample storage solutions and smart technology enhancing the living experience. From the automated lighting and climate control to the state-of-the-art entertainment system, every aspect of modern living has been thoughtfully considered. Here, cooking becomes an art, and sharing meals with loved ones becomes a cherished ritual. Upstairs, you'll find two generously sized bedrooms. Each offering a peaceful retreat with stunning views of the surrounding landscape. In this modern oasis, every detail is curated to elevate your living experience, ensuring that comfort, functionality, and coziness are not just features, but a way of life. But the true crown jewel of this home is the master bedroom, a sanctuary of serenity with its expansive layout, luxurious furnishings, and en-suite bathroom. Welcome home to a life of unparalleled elegance and serenity.